Are your kids weak in mathematics? Are they scared of mathematics? Are you worried about your kids' math scores? Have you heard about Vedic mathematics? By using SuperSpeed Vedic Math, we can accomplish huge calculations at great speeds. Take a look at a problem like this. A huge subtraction problem like this, by applying the normal academic method, it may take a lot of time. But check out my speed, how rapidly I'll accomplish subtracting this. How about that? Now this technique I can teach any kid in just about 5 minutes through SuperSpeed Vedic Math. So if you want to learn more such techniques and sutras pertaining to SuperSpeed Vedic Mathematics, we are planning to conduct a free workshop on every Sunday on eVidya platform. We are sending a link along with this video, so you can join any of the WhatsApp groups, okay, given in the below links, and make the best use of this opportunity.